Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So here I wanna explain you how to make food store website. So for the first, we made the project laravel project. Here I use laravel 11. So we install laravel like usually, and then after we make the project of laravel, don't forget to use Node.js, Node modules, Node.js because we need it. And after that, we install for filament because here we use filament too. First, with the command like this, composer require filament slash filament, and then here the updated of the composer, and after that we'll do if like this is the successfully upgraded, and then the command we use the command php artisan filament install. This is for installing filament, and like this you can see, and this is for successfully published as asset and more and anything. Now if like this, so the upgrade was successfully, and after we install filament we use the command for make the user in filament. So this is for account we will use and dashboard for admin. So if we want to make here, so we don't need to sign up in the page of form login. So here so I sign up here with the command php artisan make filament user like this, and here the name I use hj, and for email them at gmail.com, and for password here. And if we want to go to the page form, we just click this, and this is the view, and we use the email we was made before. For example, this I was made before. Remember me, and then sign in. So this is the result. We was in the dashboard page for admin we met before. So here the name I made EJ, and we can the them with the night, and this is if we use the bright, and this enable system them, and here we can sign out or log out. Now here before anything, in laravel project, of course we made the table before. Of course we will make the database, the name of database here, don't forget, because we will use the password for many accounts. So here the password is blank, just blank. And then for migration, where in database, and then in migration here I was made user tables with the name, email verified 8, and password, and remember token timestamp. And then this is from the project, and this is categories. Here the string, image, name, and slug. and then products. From category ID, this is we use this from we use this ID from category, and then here image, title, slug description, price, weight. And then in the customers table we use image, name, email, password, and image here we use with no label, or if there are no image, so that no problem, no error will. And then chart here the customer's ID and product ID, and this is quantity, and then provinces, name, and cities, name and province from province ID from province, and transaction here customer ID, province ID, city, invoice, weight, address, total. We use decimal, and enum is for status, if there's pending or success or expired or failed. And then this for string, this for snap token. And then transaction detail, we use transaction ID and product ID, and quantity and price. And then shipping table from transaction ID, shipping courier, shipping service, and shipping cost. And then for ratings here we use ID from transaction detail, ID from customer, and ID from product. And this is for rating we use integer and review text, or like a comment like this. And then here sliders we use image and link here no label. And access token we use tokenable, name token, abilities less used at timestamp, and expired at timestamp. Like we make the migration, so we make the model to we can check here the model. There a chart model with this is the field, like in the migration there's category model, city model, customer model, product model, province model, writing model, shaping model, slider model, transaction and transaction detail models. And the last is the user models, and we use name, email, and password only that leaves. And first we'll go to the dashboard admin, and the dashboard admin, this for the data we will see in the food store. This is no data before ever, because I haven't made before, and so I will make first in the dashboard for admin. And in food store, of course, I will use the different account, like the user of this website. And yeah, first we go to dashboard first. So here for admin dashboard we can make categories. Here in master data we click categories, and if we want to add new categories we click new. And for image we choose, for example, this one, and we add the category is spicy. This category was done, and if we want to edit we just click edit and save edit, and then we can make the products. For example, this the picture, the image is strawberry, and the title is strawberry, and then the category is fruit, and this is the price and the description. And if we want to edit here, for example, I just wanna edit the price then save change, and was saved. Here the notification. And if we want to add the new product, we just choose the image. For example, as this product heavy screens price, for example, it's 20,000, and the height, the weight, the description. So this is for the products. This is the section creating. This is for sliders, for the view sliders. And this my picture, the image of avocado, and then strawberry smoothies, and this is for the fruits. If you want to add new slider here, and then we go to this, to the website food store. This is for the slide. Search, for example, there's spicy, fruits, drinks, and Indonesian foods. If you want to click spicy here, I think because I haven't made before. And then for the fruits, there are two products, for mango and strawberry. And for drinks here, 3 products. For coffee, the price is 20,000, and so for the smoothies and the channel. Then back to the product popular is the user must buy. This nothing. This is only products, not the popular products. And this is for new products here. And if you want to order here, because I not yet. Now we might account first. So sign up or sign in with the email sign in or login here. This is my profile. This is my order, my profile, and my password. This is my password. For orders, we just add this, for example, curry. Then I want this the notification is successfully for the add product to my orders. This is, so I want to add for the food, for example, is basil. two orders and one more for the fruits. Products. Two or three, four. We remove and remove. This is for the total and process takeout. Check out. This is the shipping information. You can select the profits first and select city and my address. Okay, now we're back to for the folder. Here, don't forget to add command paper artisan storage link. This is for save place for piece of save pictures and pictures we can add for the data, and there will be here the pictures we add the folder app and public, and here's the pictures for the data and the others. And don't forget to migrate after we made of course the migration. We have to migrate, right? So we can add pepper and migrate and have the data was migrated there info nothing to migrate. If haven't migrated yet, there will be migrate. And for the field, for the roots here, we use API.php too and console.php, and usually we use web.php. Here this is for customers or the user of the website, and we use prefix for authentication, and this is for function index, and this is for function show, and this is for token, and this is for profile and password, and this is for the product category, products like for showing, and this is for index or how the word is, and this is the checkout and chart. And if the user has checkout, so the user can gives the chart and the rating for the products. And for the view how we use CSF, and JS, not JS, I talked before, and this is the view. We make the folder components like player vendors, and there are the files, and then the folders, and in the folders there are files. There are some files, and this is for components. There is folder button, and here the files, and this is for card, and this is for file, and then for the picture we use storage. Here, and this is for the layout. We use the blade, and this is for menu. There are buttons and customers. This is utils. There is search bar, so this is for the search bar in the website. This is the live player. There's account, out and web. This is the vendor. For the tailwinds, simple tailwind and simple default, simple bootstrap 5 and 4, and this semantic UI for this time. And this is the default, and this is the bootstrap 5 and 4. This is simple bootstrap, and this is only bootstrap. Yes, maybe that's all for me. Thank you, and I will put this project laravel on my GitHub. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.